Hello everyone, I am Krishna
And I'm Kushi.
and we are doing a game which is called Two Truths and One Lie.
Yeah, so let's see who will win and how much we know each other.
Okay, I'll be saying three statements. Two of them are truths and one is a lie.
Okay.
Okay. One. When I was a kid, my hair caught fire and I had to cut it off till here.
Till here, this
Then
much.
second,
Okay.
here. Yes.
Okay.
And second, a bird once pooped in my lunch when we went for a field trip. 3. One of my YouTube videos have 97k views.
Okay. Bird pooping thing, I can relate, like birds can poop. So second would be correct. Between first and
Oh.
last, I'm confused. I think
Is it?
like third video, how much views?
97k.
But I have not watched that video, so I'm very confused. Like, it could be true, it could be wrong. Like, on your which YouTube ID, gaming one or normal one?
It's not gaming one. That one I can assure you.
Okay. First could be true as well. I think third. Third is a lie.
Third?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure?
I don't know. Yeah, fine. Third is a lie. Because I have not seen
Okay.
that video. That's why I'm saying lie. It could be true, but
Unfortunately, that is true.
shit.
Yeah.
Which one? Send me the video, okay?
Okay, yeah, sure. It is a secret channel. Nobody knows it.
Okay.
So,
guys, it's
so
not
the
my
answer-
fault because it's a secret channel.
Yeah,
and
it's
no
not
one
your
knows
fault.
it.
But it's not my fault either. So yeah. The answer is one. When I was a kid, my hair caught fire and I had to
Oh,
cut
I
it off.
thought it
till
could
here.
be
It
true.
never caught fire. It's okay.
Yeah.
We're just playing, right?
I-
Okay, next is your turn.
I hate losing. And I lost the first.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay.
It's alright.
So it's like first statement is when I was in my 5th grade. So on my birthday, a guy came and he said happy birthday to me, and I said same to you, to him.
Oh.
And
Okay.
second statement is I have never dated a guy in my life. Never. Third is I had poha for breakfast today.
Okay. One is true.
One is true.
Yes. But the
Okay.
other.
Lock in. I will.
Okay, which one is the lie? I think, is it second? No, wait, you said you have never dated a guy, right?
Yeah, never.
Mm, is it true?
You don't know
Which
me.
one is
I
the
feel
lie?
like you don't even know me.
3.
Krishna,
3 is the answer.
Oh, bro. Yeah, you won. Yeah, won.
Yeah.
First
okay.
thing, you thought I am dumb. That is true. Like I said same to you when he said me happy birthday. Okay. So I lost 1 point and you
I remember that.
win 1. Cool.
Yes.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, second. Yeah. Option 1. I have gone 2 years without talking to a person that I had a crush on and never confessed.
That is true. I'm 100% sure because I know that person.
Oh, okay. Second, I've gone for a final exam without studying anything for the entire semester twice.
Twice.
Third, I once lost a library book in school.
I think because you're my friend, so obviously you would be going to exam without studying.
Yeah.
Because we are like each other. Second would be true.
Yes.
First is true. I think third one is a lie. Like library book you lost during school because you never mention about this.
Yeah.
You
You are right. You won.
Yay!
Yay. Okay.
Who is winning? See who is winning.
We both have one each now, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Third, I'm not keeping tracks of the points. Remember, you have to remember.
Okay.
Oh, you have to ask, right?
Is it? Oh yeah. Shit.
Yeah.
My memory.
Yeah, we have lost our minds.
Yeah. So when I was a kid, I hurt my head by falling down from 2 stairs, and I also got stitches on my head here somewhere.
Okay.
Second,
Oh.
during my junior school years, I always got first rank in class. And third, I used to hate maths from childhood. Then also I get A grade in my 9th class.
That is so specific.
Yeah.
One is true. Because
Yeah.
you have told me about
Yeah,
falling.
I have told.
Falling from stairs. 2 or 3. I don't want to underestimate you, so two is the lie, is it?
Shit. Yeah, 2 is a lie.
Am I correct?
Yeah, you are correct.
Okay.
You don't want to
Yes.
underestimate me, she told. And then she underestimated me that I can't even get first rank in my class. Wow.
And then 3, Max, you were in that one. I didn't underestimate you. You said that you got A in Max, so there I know that you are intelligent. But first one also, I knew that you once fell, so I wasn't sure of which one.
Yeah, so which one you said? Second one, na? Second
Yes,
one is a lie.
second
Yeah.
one.
So you have 2 points.
Yay.
And I have
Yes.
1 point. Okay.
1 point.
Okay.
Yes. Now next, first statement. I always sing in the shower.
Yeah,
Second,
you do, you
I
do.
once put a. Okay. Second, I once put a worm in my mouth and chewed on it. Third, I've stayed up past 4 a.m. studying for an important abnormal psychology exam.
You are not. Like, we share the same brain cell. You won't be studying till 4 a.m. And
Never.
you are very particular about your sleep schedule that you told me.
Yes.
Like, this is the girl who sleep at 10 and 11. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Because you live in home, so you can't wake up all night. So I think
You.
third one is lie.
Third one is like, oh,
Lot. Is
we
it
do.
true?
Yeah. You are right. It's true. I have never stayed up till 4 a.m.
I knew that.
For studies, especially for studies.
Guys, my room
for
is
other
mess.
stuff, maybe, but not for studies.
Yeah, obviously, because we are friends. I know her a lot. Guys, this mess is
Yes.
not mine. It's my roommate's. And these clothes
Yeah.
are not mine. These are of my roommate. So don't judge me. Okay.
Never.
Now I will.
Okay, your turn.
When I was a kid, at that time I had eaten a baby cockroach by mistake. Second, I had 765 followers during lockdown on my TikTok ID. Third, I had a huge crush on Justin Bieber after the song Baby.
3 is correct. I know that. Because we both had the same crushes for
Yeah,
years.
but you had after
Celebrity
Sorry
crushes.
song, hai na?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
I remember.
But it was at the same time because you and me, both of us liked Justin first, and then both of us liked Zayn Malik first.
Yeah.
So 3 is correct. What was the second option again?
I had 765 followers during lockdown on my TikTok ID.
Which one is the lie? Second one is a lie.
No, second one is true. First one was lie. I never had baby cockroach. And
No?
you can search my, it could have went down or up, I don't know, but you can search my TikTok ID. But I had
Oh.
765 followers on my TikTok.
That I thought like that is very specific. So I thought that you wouldn't remember it still.
I remember
So-
when I said I had. Right now I don't know because I didn't even deactivated that account. But yeah, like when it got banned,
So you
I
remember
was,
it till
yeah.
now. It's been 6 years.
Because
oh.
when it get banned, I was so sad. I'm like, oh my god, I had 765 followers. Why they're banning the
Aw.
TikTok? So I was so sad. So I remember the exact number.
Yeah.
You lost now. So you could, so two you could able to say. One is, and how much? I could able to tell.
My 2 and 2.
2 and 2. It's like a tie now.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
Guys, I'm
Yay.
gonna win 100%. Who's gonna win? Me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
I'm just
I'll
lying.
say
She
the
could
next.
also win. She is good at.
Yeah, let's see.
You say.
Okay, first statement. I recently got interested in football because of Jude Bellingham.
Yeah, you told me. This
Second.
is true.
Yeah. Yeah. Second, I ran into a glass door in college during first year. Third, my family had a pet parrot that could say my name.
The fact
Which
is
one is the
that
lie?
first year we were not even friends, right? So I have no
Yeah.
idea. Like I have to ask Malvika and Atulya about this. Like, did she read
Yeah.
into it?
But I think I've mentioned almost everything that happened in the first year. If it happened, I definitely have
I think you
mentioned.
mentioned it to Penjul and Julia. I don't remember much, but I remember you said something related to it. Okay.
Yes.
What was third statement?
Third statement was, yeah, my family had a pet parrot that could say my name.
That you didn't mention. I think third is a lie.
Sure.
Yeah, 100% third is a lie. Lock in कर दिया जाए.
Yeah, you won. Third one is the
I
lie. We never had a pet parrot. And for running into the door thing, I have mentioned in front of you. I think you forgot.
Yeah, the fact that I had idea, but when she run into door na, like into mirror, at that time we were not even friends. So I got confused.
But I have told you.
Yeah,
Yeah. I've told every embarrassing things that I've done
yeah.
all my life.
Yeah, true.
My
She
whole
is.
life.
I have full idea about her life, and in future
Yes.
also, I will have
Yes.
idea. Okay, so now my
100%.
turn.
Yeah.
When I was kid, I used to like Team Rocket from Pokemon. You know Team Rocket?
No. No
You have
idea.
never watched
I haven't
Pokemon?
watched. No, I haven't.
Okay.
But it's okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can figure it out.
Yeah.
Next
I have
question,
missed my
next statement.
flight 2 times.
Yeah, you have.
I have played
You have.
basketball at state level.
You have never mentioned that. So third
You're
one
judging
is the
my
lie.
capabilities? Huh?
I definitely
You're
am
judging?
not. I am definitely not. But you have never mentioned. If you have gone to state level, you definitely would have said that to me. You
The state
haven't,
level
so-
is not major. Like, I could be very private about my sports career.
But no, you can't hide that from me. You
Okay,
never
so
did.
lock in.
Yes, lock in third.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's
second.
a lie. It's a lie. You won.
Yes.
You won 10 CR.
Yay.
Okay.
Okay. Last
Now
section.
it's tie na. Till now it's a tie.
I think yeah.
Who is winning?
Let
Like
me see.
I made one
Yes,
mistake,
we
you
are.
made one.
Yeah, we both are 3-3.
Yeah.
Okay, last. I was bit by a dog when I was a kid. First statement. Secondly, I have a crush on Ravi Singh from A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. Then third, I'm currently watching a series called Manifest on Netflix. Which one is the lie?
Shit. Manifest. I have watched the series Manifest.
Yeah,
You
it's
could
so
have
interesting. I
a
love it.
crush on Ravi Singh because he's a green flag. When I was watching Good Girls Guide to Murder,
Yes,
I also find
he's
him
really
very
intelligent.
yeah,
Yeah,
totally our type.
and yes, he's a golden retriever. Not exactly, but he is very protective. I love that.
Yeah, and I love
He-
golden retriever energy. I love guys who are
Yes.
intelligent, cute. So
Yeah.
it could be true.
And plus,
Ravi
he's
Singh.
he's hot, so that's a plus.
Yeah, Singh.
What?
Khushi Singh, Ravi
Yeah.
Singh, obviously.
Oh shit! Yeah.
He's gonna be hot.
totally-
Same genetics. Not same
Yeah.
genetics, same surname.
Yeah.
Okay, it could be true. Manifest series, can you tell me something about Manifest? Because I have watched two.
I am on season 1 itself. I think episode 16. Are there 16 episodes? Yeah, I
What
think I'm on
happened till
16th episode.
16?
So the guy from the van, right? The one that went into the ocean, he died. That was the last thing that I remember.
Be a lie. Why? But lie. What happened to me? Wait. I'm not
Was I-
answered. Manifest could be true.
Was I bit by a kid? Oh, what the hell?
I think first one is a lie. First one is a lie.
I hope you didn't hear that, but I accidentally said that I was bit by a kid instead of a dog. Okay.
First one is a lie. Yeah, I
was
heard
I
it.
bit
I
as
heard
a
it.
kid by?
I know it's kind of cheating,
Yeah.
but yeah, I won because it's her mistake. She said the answer, not my fault. So I got the point now.
What? I'm confused, but yeah, you are right. You got
first
the
one
point.
is a lie or not?
It is a lie.
Okay, so I said first one is a
But
lie.
there was a communication gap there. You know, you misinterpreted something, but it's fine.
At first, I was thinking it could be true because you are scared of dog, but you said it by yourself because I heard it like you bit by a kid. But it's so funny you bit by a kid. I want to know this story.
You know, I was bit as a kid by a dog, which is not true.
Okay, it's not. So it's a lie, na? Okay, so
It's a lie.
yeah. Now my turn. Till now I have said only
Yes.
one wrong answer and she has also said one wrong answer. So this last question will decide not my future,
Okay.
Krishna's future.
Yes.
Okay, statement. First statement is when I was kid, we used to get 100 people sign during Christmas to get the gift from Santa. Like in my school, people be like, oh, if you get 100 people sign, Santa will give you gift, like that. It was something, so I used to do it. Second, I got a free gift from Zepto today. Third is I wanted to become a singer when I was a kid.
Three might be true.
Yeah. Okay.
Two, I think two is true because You always buy stuff, so you might have got something. One is wrong.
Okay, lock in. Krishna, lose, guys.
Yeah.
I win. First one is true. Second one is true. Third one is a lie. I never wanted to become a singer from child. Like I always wanted to become an actress. Like I always had a dream of becoming actress and all, but never of singer. And I'm terrible at singing.
Okay.
This time you didn't
Sure.
underestimate me, na?
I didn't. Not at all.
For every exam, you
But
underestimate
that
me.
was very. Yeah, it's fine, I guess.
Okay, who lose?
I lose.
It was kind of tie, but last question. I feel so bad. But yeah,
Yeah,
guys, we will
it's alright.
keep on playing such games.
Yeah,
Every
this
day.
was
Not every day, like
for the
alternative days.
Yeah, we can. This was our first time playing something like this over call, so we will keep doing this.
Yeah, we will keep doing this.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share with your friends.